Hello and welcome to the section 7 of the course Architecture and Design for CompTIA Security Plus. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about first of all the frameworks and best practices to design a network. We will learn that how you can implement a secure network. We will learn about secure staging, deployment, cloud and virtualization, and the physical security. So let's start with the frameworks, best practices and secure configuration guides. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about the frameworks, best practices, and I'm going to provide you some examples. So let's talk about the purpose of frameworks and best practices. So I'm taking here an example of web server. For example, if I have a web server inside my network and I want to secure my web server, right? So what I can do in that case? So in the first point you can see here that example is web server security. We want to secure a web server, and as you already know that in web server we have like email servers are available here and other servers are also available inside web server. So what we need to do here, you can see in the second point that remove unnecessary services and programs. So it is a possibility that unnecessary services or programs which are working inside your web servers, and because of those vulnerabilities your web server is insecure, because any attacker can attack on your web server and can access all the services and programs, right? So it is your responsibility to find out the vulnerabilities, the unnecessary services or the programs which are not necessary, and you should remove them immediately. Third is remove unnecessary protocols. Unnecessary ports or protocols which are working in the web server, you should close them immediately, right? For example, if port number 21 is open, which is FTP, and you are not using FTP, so you can simply block that 21 port, right? So the other attacker cannot enter in the system using port number 21, got it? So that's how you can simply block the services and protocols inside your server. Server and application logs. So you should check server and application logs on a regular basis, because if, for example, attacker has attacked inside your network, so you can simply monitor your log files, and log files can provide you enough information that attacker has intruded inside your system, right? So you can simply find out what is the vulnerability inside your server and then you can remove it, right? So that's why you need to monitor your application logs inside your server. So these are the basically the purpose of frameworks and the best practices.